Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today we will continue the topic data visualization in Python. In the previous class we discussed about line graph. Today we will discuss about bar graph. Let's start today's class. Bar graph. A bar graph or a bar chart is a graphical display of data using bars of different heights. A bar chart can be drawn vertically or horizontally using rectangles or bars of different heights or widths. Pyplot offers bar function to create a bar chart where we can specify the sequences for x-axis and corresponding sequence to be plotted on y-axis. The bar function we can use to create a bar chart in this pyplot. Each y value is plotted as bar on corresponding x value on x-axis. You know about this graph, that is x-axis and y-axis are there. We can specify the sequence for x-axis and corresponding sequence to be plotted on y-axis. That is the concept of this graph. Bar function we can use to create bar chart. Okay. Then a bar graph is used to represent data in the form of vertical or horizontal bars like this. It is useful to compare the quantities. Example, import matplotlib.pyplot as PL, import numpy as NP. Then we use this over range 1, that is equal to, we specified here one list, that is 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Then runs scored 1. That all values also 65, 55, 70, 50, 80. Then we can use this bar function to create the bar graph. PL.bar, within this parenthesis I pass this x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is over range 1, x-axis. Then y-axis is runs scored. Okay. Then pl.xlabel, what is its purpose? Xlabel, we can specify the label values, that is over interval. Check here, x-axis labels over interval. pl.ylabel runs code, that also we can see runs code, that is ylabel. Then title also we can specify by using this title function, pl.title India's scoring. Check this one, India's scoring. This is the title. Then we can use this show function. At the time of execution, we can see the graph like this. X-axis label over interval, y-axis label runs code, title India scoring. Then these bars also we can see. 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50. Then its corresponding values are 65. Check this one. 1 to 10, 65. Okay. Then 11 to 20, 55. This one is the 55 range. Then 21 to 30, 70. You can see the 70 range. Then 31 to 40, 50. Check this one. This is the 50 range. 41 to 50, 80. This is the 80 range. Okay, clear this one? Then consider another example. Here we used here the cities and population. Cities, this is a list: Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Population, these all populations also we specified there. Then we plot one bar graph by using this bar function. plt.bar cities comma population. Cities, that is x-axis, population, that is y-axis. plt.xlabel cities. Xlabel we identified as cities, then plt.ylabel population. Ylabel, y-axis we identified as population. plt.show. Check this one cities, this one population. Here we didn't specify any title, so we can't see any title here. Okay, here first we use this Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore and Hyderabad. Check this one. At the time of plotting this bar graph, it will take the ascending order of this particular list. Okay, clear? The order of bars plotted may be different from the order in the actual data sequence. This is the actual data sequence, but we can see the sequence in another order. That is, in this ascending order, we can see this one. Okay, clear? Next one, changing width, color in bar chart. How to change the width and color of a bar chart? To specify common width other than the default width for all bars, we can specify the width argument. Which is the argument? Width. Argument having a scalar float value in the bar function. Identify the syntax matplotlib.pyplot.bar. Then within this parenthesis we can specify the x sequence comma y sequence. Then which is the argument for changing the width? Width. Width is the argument. That is equal to float value. Okay. Here plt.bar cities comma population width is equal to 1/2. That is 0.5 units. Default width for all bars, that is like this. These all are default width. Then we can change the width by using this width argument. We specified this width argument's value as float value. Okay. Then here width is equal to 0.3. This is the 0.3 width of each bar. Okay. Clear? Then to specify different widths for different bars of bar chart. How to specify this different width for different bars? For that we can use this width argument itself. Here we are specifying the values as a sequence. Width argument having a sequence containing widths for each of the bars in the bar function. Okay. If you specify a scalar value or a single value for width argument, then that width is applied to all the bars of the bar chart. Then identify this example plt.bar cities comma population width is equal to, within the square bracket we specified the width 0.5 comma 0.6 comma 0.7 comma 8. Then 0.7 for Bangalore. Then 0.6 for Mumbai. 0.8 for Hyderabad. 0.5 for Delhi. See, the widths are applied to values of data sequence in the left to right order, but the bars appear in sorted order in the bar chart. Okay, clear? The next one, to specify common color. How to change the color of the bar chart? For that we can use this color argument. Then we can give the value as valid color code or name in the bar function itself. This is the bar function x sequence comma y sequence, that comma color is equal to color code or name. This is the syntax for changing the color of bar graph. Then to specify different colors for different bars of a bar chart, you can specify the color argument having a sequence containing colors for each of the bars in the bar function. That is, color is equal to color names or code sequence. Okay. Identify this one: red, B for blue, G for green, black. Okay, color is equal to red, blue, green, black. Red for Delhi. In that particular city list, we specified the Delhi value as first. Then second, B for Mumbai. Second value is Mumbai. Then G, that is Bangalore. Third value is Bangalore. Then black, fourth value, that is Hyderabad. Okay, clear this one? Check this program, changing width color in bar chart. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PL. Import numpy as NP. Over range 1 is equal to, within the square bracket we specified the list. Runs code 1 is equal to, within the square bracket we specified the values as list. PL.bar. What's the purpose of this bar function? We can create the bar chart. Then we pass this x-axis, that is over range 1, comma, y-axis, that is runs code 1. Comma, width function, we can set the width of each graph by using this width argument. Then what is the purpose of this color argument? We can set the color of each bar. Okay, clear? Then default width is equal to 0.5, that we change to 0.3. pl.xlabel over interval, pl.ylabel runs code, pl.title India's scoring, pl.show. You can see like this. Okay, this width of bar is 0.03. Then color of bar is green. We specified this G. Clear? Then here import matplotlib.pyplot as PL. Import numpy as NP. Over range 1 runs code 1. pl.bar over range 1 comma runs code 1 comma width is equal to, we specified the list, that is first one 0.1 width for first bar, then 0.2 width for second bar, 0.3 width for third bar, 0.4 width for fourth bar, 0.5 width for fifth bar. Color is equal to green itself. Okay, then pl.xlabel over interval, pl.ylabel runs code, pl.title India's scoring, pl.show. Clear? Then check this one, different colors we can give. For each bar we can give different colors by using this color argument. How? Check this program, import matplotlib.pyplot as PL, numpy as NP, over range 1 runs code, pl.bar over range 1 comma runs code 1 comma width is equal to 0.3. Color is equal to R, G, B, C, M. R for red, G for green, B for blue, C for cyan, M for magenta. First bar's color is red. Second bar's color is green. Third bar's color is blue. Fourth one cyan. Fifth one magenta. pl.xlabel over interval, pl.ylabel runs code, pl.title India's scoring, pl.show. Clear? After the execution of this program, you can see like this graph. Okay. The next one, horizontal bar graph. Bar H function is used to draw horizontal bar graph. Which is the function to draw horizontal bar graph? Bar H function. Bar H. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PL. Import numpy as NP. City is equal to Kanpur, Lucknow, Prayagraj, Varanasi. Temp is equal to 42, 39, 48, 46. pl.bar H. Cities, comma temp. X label temperature, Y label cities, title city wise temperature, record, pl.show. Check this one, X label temperature, Y label cities. Here we can see the cities. Then title city wise temperature, record. This is horizontal bar graph. Horizontally we can see these all bars. For that we can use which function? Bar H function. Okay. The next one, multiple bar graph. Multiple bar graph. In one bar graph itself, we have to include one more bar graph. One more bar. How to do that one? First step, decide the number of x points. We can use arrange or line space function to find number of points based on the length of values in sequence. Second step, decide the thickness of each bar and accordingly adjust x point on x-axis. Third one, give different color to different data ranges. Fourth one, the width remains the same for all ranges being plotted. Then last one, call plot function for each data range. You can check one example. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PL. Import numpy as NP. A is equal to values 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. B is equal to 55, 65, 60, 75, 96. X is equal to, this is the x points. We are identifying the points. X is equal to np dot line space 1, 51, 5. Then we found here the x points. After that, we are using this bar function, that is pl dot bar. Within this parenthesis, we specified this x comma a. First one, x comma a. A is this 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. X is equal to this one. That all x points. Then width is equal to 3, color is equal to R, label is equal to Australia. Then pl dot bar x plus 3. X is these all points. Then plus 3. Then B, second one B, comma, width is equal to 3, color is equal to green, G, label is equal to India. Then pl dot x label overs, pl dot y labels runs code, pl dot title scoring chart India and Australia, pl dot legend to display legend. This one is the legend. Which colors are using for different bars? That is this legend. For identifying this legend, we can call this legend function. Then pl dot show. Then you can see like this. Okay. First overs. Overs 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. These are the overs. Then runs code 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. First one, Australia. Red in color, which one? Australia. Green in color, India. First 50. Check this one. This is the 50 point. Australia 50. Then next 60. Second one 60 range. Third one 70 range, 80 range, 90 range. This is Australia. Then next one, green in color, which one? India. India x plus 3. This is the x point, then plus 3. Always it will take the plus 3 values for the next variable. That is B variable. B is 55. 55. This one 55. The next 65. The next 60. Then 75. Then 96. Okay. Likewise, you can create the multiple bar graph. Clear? Okay, children. These all are very interesting topics. So study these all topics in an effective way. The notes of the topic is attached. Take down the notes and learn it. A test paper is also included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care.